Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your social network links visible to everyone on your Roblox profile using the latest update on PC. If you want to connect with more friends, grow your community, or simply let everyone see your YouTube, Twitter, or other socials, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open up Roblox in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on the gear icon to open up the options. From the drop-down, select Settings. Now, you'll be taken to your account settings page. Here, make sure you're in the Account Info tab. This is where you manage your personal information, display name, and linked social networks. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Social Networks. Right underneath, you'll see a heading called Social Networks Visibility. This is where you control who can see the links to your social media profiles on your Roblox profile. You'll notice several visibility options like friends, followers, or no one. To make your social links visible to everyone, simply select the option labeled Everyone. This means anyone who visits your profile on Roblox will be able to see the social network links you've added. After you've chosen Everyone, don't forget to scroll down and hit the Save button to apply your changes. Roblox will update your profile, and your social links will now be public for all users to see. That's it. You've just made your social networks visible to everyone on Roblox. If you ever want to change this setting for more privacy, you can come back to this menu and select a different option at any time. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with your friends and keep exploring all the ways you can customize your Roblox experience. See you next time.